Hi, this is Jeffrey. In this tutorial, you will learn how easy it is to register a domain name and select hosting. There are many domain name registrars and hosting providers. Registering your domain name is similar across all providers. That is not the case with hosting. Not all hosting providers are the same. You are encouraged to compare packages with other providers. And please read the fine print. It is not uncommon to discover that special offers are only for a few months or do not include all of the essential services you need. Especially if you are new to web hosting, buyer beware. In the packages we offer, here are some differences to note. In our Bronze package, you can host only one domain. This does not mean you cannot upgrade. It just means that other packages might be more beneficial for you. The Silver package allows you to host up to 5 domain names. You do not have to register them all at once. This is the package most recommended when just starting out. It is not only cost effective, it provides other features not included in the Bronze package. If you are planning on reselling hosting, Gold is the hosting package for you. An example of someone who would benefit from the Gold hosting package is an affiliate marketer. Here is a quick summary of features in each package. If you compare us to other hosting providers, what you will find is that we provide an all-inclusive monthly installment that far exceeds what you will find elsewhere. For example, unlimited subdomains, email accounts, 100 in the Bronze package, 500 in the Silver package, and unlimited in the Gold package. Notice the security and protection, all included in one monthly installment. This is especially important if you are just starting out. Many of these features new people would not realize as important. Statistics, generally not a big interest when just starting out, but once your site is launched, you will want to know where your traffic is coming from, what pages are most searched for, and other information that will help your website be found by the search engines. For this demonstration, we'll get started with the Silver package. Clicking on the Get Started button brings you to the Sign Up form. The first thing to do is create a user name. Your username is the identification you will use to log in to your hosting account. Notice the Silver package is selected. To the right is your annual hosting fee. If you are not paying in US dollars, select the currency that applies to you. For the demonstration, I am setting up a hosting account for my friend Jasmine. The domain name she selected was Galaxy Interiors by Jasmine. By the way, if you already have a domain name registered at another provider and want to transfer it over, no problem. You would simply select the tab marked Host Domain. We will review this in another video. You can enter an application that you would like pre-installed, or you can wait until after your hosting package is registered. In case you are wondering what a pre-installed application would be, these are the most popular ones. WordPress is probably the one you are most familiar with, but there is also Joomla, Drupal, and many others. There are many that you can choose from. Each is no extra charge. They include e-commerce, contact managers, and many more. Each is available through your hosting control panel. These apps are a one-click installation. The last few steps are likely familiar to you. Account owner details requires information about you. When your account information is entered, click on the checkbox to accept the terms and conditions, privacy policy, etc. And then click on Create Account. A thank you screen opens. It is here where you set your password to access your dashboard and control panel. To set your password, you have two options. One, create it yourself, or two, have the system generate a password for you. With your password set, the welcome screen opens. Once again, you have two choices: start trial or complete sign up. We recommend complete sign up. The main reason for this is because during the 30-day trial, not all features are available to you. The best way to access all features and still have a 30-day money-back guarantee is to select Complete Sign Up. Once you complete the registration, your control panel is displayed. The control panel dashboard is where you easily access your hosting account features. This brings us to the end of this tutorial on selecting your hosting package.